Hello guys, today I am going to show you top 5 PGDM colleges in Visakhapatnam. I will list out one by one. First is Geetham Management College. Second, Centurion Technology and Management. Third, Alwar School of Business. Fourth, Baba Institute of Management. Fifthly, Vizag School of Tourism. In this video, I would like to show you establishment of colleges, accreditations, eligibility, placement and location. First, coming to first college, Geetham Management College. It is established in 1980. Accreditations by NAAC and AICTE. Coming to eligibility, minimum 50% required in pre-university or 10+2 or intermediate. Coming to placements, almost 85% of the students will be placed in every academic year, and this college provides internships through different startups. Coming to location, Gandhinagar, Rishikonda, Andhra Pradesh. Second college is Centurion Technology and Management. It is established in 2010. Accreditations by NAAC, AICTE, UGC and AIU. Coming to placements, this college provides placements in Symbiosis, Vortex and Tech Mahindra. Coming to location, Girijala, Neelakundilu Road, Andhra Pradesh 531173. Third institution is Alwar School of Business. It is established in 2008. Accreditations by NAAC, AICTE. Coming to placements, this college management was offering 75% placements for students and provides internship programs also. Coming to location, Himachal Nagar, Gajuwaka, Andhra Pradesh 530026. And next college is Baba Institute of Management. It is established in 2008. Accreditations by AICTE. Coming to placements, this college provides placements in MNCs such as TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra and Polaris. Coming to location, Pothinamallaya Palem Lake, Andhra Pradesh 530041. And fifth and last one is Vizag School of Tourism. It is established in 1994. Accreditations by AICTE. Coming to placements, in this college 80% of the students get selected every year. These are the top 5 PGDM colleges in Visakhapatnam. If you want more information, please visit our website graduatesengine.com. If you like this video, subscribe our channel Graduates Engine.